Governor Tom Wolf is sharing his concern for the rise in cases we're seeing here in Allegheny County. He is suggesting what Pennsylvanians may need to do in order to slow the spread. Chris Hoffman is live with the governor's words. And Chris, this message is something that we have been seeing people talking about, especially on social media.
Good morning, Heather. Governor Tom Wolf says masks may be mandatory for quite some time. He feels we might be needing these until a vaccine is found. Now, Governor Tom Wolf is citing some models that suggest states where people are using the masks are showing lower infection rates. He updated the order last week when cases started to spike, and all of this comes as Allegheny County has been in triple digits for new COVID-19 cases since last week. The order requires people to wear face masks in several different settings, including if you're outdoors and can't be 6 feet apart, if you're inside a public place, or at work. Now, the order was sent to local and state leaders, law enforcement, and others tasked with, quote, education about the order for those not in compliance.
I'm sort of thinking this is until we get a vaccine, but I don't have any real formal goal there. We're in a very different place now than we were when this pandemic started. Our testing now is up to close to 20,000 a day capacity. We have contact tracers. We continue to increase both the capacity, but we're in a very different situation when we had very few contact tracers in the early pandemic. We could maybe do a couple hundred tests a day.
According to the CDC, all people 2 years or older should wear a mask in public. They say data is emerging that shows coverings reduce the spray of droplets when they are over your nose and mouth. Now, there are exceptions to the governor's order. You can see the full list of those on our website, KDKA.com, and our app. We're live this morning. Chris Hoffman, KDKA News.